Hello. So we got a little sidetracked and actually already started on this project. I plan to show you it start to finish, but we went ahead and put down our weed barrier and we are happily getting the weed barrier on it so that we can kill the weeds underneath that section and then get our straw bale garden ready to go. And then probably sometime during the summer, when I run out of growing space, I'll probably try and get the weed barrier up, and then we can use that ground because it'll be a little easier to work with because it won't have all the deep grass and the roots and all that good stuff. So that's the plan. I don't know if it's the right way to do it. Honestly, I don't really care, because if it, at the very least, the straw bale garden is going to work. And the rest of it is just whatever happens. So I'm going to set you down for a minute while James gets the next hay bale. And then I'm going to fill him in on the plan and see what he thinks.
Sure don't make my job easier.
Check out what my super smart hubby thought of doing. Instead of dragging each bale one by one, look at that. Working smart, not hard. Good job, beloved.
I'm not sure about smart.
I mean, smarter than dragging them all over.
Well, you wouldn't have had the drywall out on the backyard. I just tossed it back in the car. Drove it around.
Oh God, and then I would have had to clean the car out again. Did not enjoy that. So here's what I'm thinking, sir. So, to get the ground ready for next year, because we don't have enough straw bales for the whole garden.
Oh, no.
I'm thinking put the straw bales kind of around an outside border so that, like that way, so that we use the weed barrier to kill everything underneath. And then it'll be ready when we decide to till it. Then we'd just be tilling in between the bales, because the bales will be like row bales.
You know what you have to do about
And roll bales.
I don't need more hay bales.
Well, we don't have to fill it all up because one bale can weigh down 2 rows. It can weigh down 2 rolls of that tape.
So go get the other one so we can put more down, or
Yeah.
I'll cut that one.
Yeah. Either way, you got the knifey. You as the king o' knives. All right, I'm gonna flip this so they can see us as we have agreed on a plan.
So you want it all the way out to here? Where am I cutting that?
Yeah, right where the wake is. Hopefully this gets all of this and it doesn't fall down. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry.
Going from a distance, like up on the cement slab, might be the better way.
Yeah, let's see. Even
Up on the
maybe right here.
septic.
In love.
Fooling around, but there's the first one. Don't forget that last one. So, okay.
So I'm not sure if that last video actually got everything. Sorry, I'm out of breath. If it didn't, I apologize. The battery was below 20% and it popped up a little thingy, and I don't know if it recorded after that. But let's go take a look at what it is now. So here we go. Our little straw garden. So we've got to cut down a bunch of trees today. Not trees, but like, you know, big branches like this. And so those are going to go on the black part. We're only going to be using the straw bales for the moment. When spring comes, we'll probably still use just those. But by the time summer comes, then we'll be ready to take up the black part and till those areas if we decide to. So here we go. And just so you see how these are, let me go find the ones over here. They have already started. These are apparently straw bales from maybe at the very beginning of the season, or that it got accidentally left outside. But they're actually mushrooms growing in that. They got a little smashed, but they are mushrooms. So these are nice and fertile. We're gonna put burdock root in one, chicory root in one, dandelion root in another, maybe some lettuce or winter type greens in another. We'll just have to see. But by the end of the day, there will be a whole lot more organic matter here that will be holding these down, and I'm very excited about it. Woot woot!